Da 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 da. Okay, time for weird shit again. Yeah. Okay. This is like a game. Doesn't have any high score lists or like cool stuff or yet, but this is what you do. You visit this page, cybersoul.com/Dr14000 boo. Let's see if we can do this. I will put a link somewhere too, but I don't know where this shows up. There. Okay. Yes. And first thing you do, you have to go in here, and there's no gamepad detected, but there is one here. So I'll push a button, and it will find out that it's an Xbox 360. Set axis. Yeah. I'm pushing the button. Boom. Set yaw. Push the button. Set throttle. Push the button. Set roll. Push the button. Set pitch. And fire buttons, whichever I choose. Boom, boom. Go rip some balls. Boom. And murder house. Then you just fly around like you would normal FPV run, or rather line of sight in 2D. So the throttle is like the throttle. The zombies are like the zombies. Right? And the missiles are like, it's two of them, and if you fire into something, it will just return immediately. But if you miss, it will take a while for them to get back. Oh no, deathness 101%. I'm like dead now. So this is more or less just I'm building an app for this. So this is more just try it out and to get friends to beta test it for me. Oh yeah, I need flyer. And the purpose of the game is to kill like as much zombies as possible, of course. And when there are 10 zombies left, you they are like 10 times as deadly or something. They're very deadly, and they stop spawning, so there will come no new zombies once you kill. So there's only 10 left, and then you kill the last ones, and you get a score or a time that probably one day will be saved in some sort of database. I tried one, it had one actually, but I discovered that Google had this game thingy that I want to use instead, and I don't know how to use it, so it might take a while. And you sort of can shoot through walls if you are fast enough and straight on enough, but if you shoot like, let's see, like close to the floor, it will like slide after the floor. Done. That's it. Try it. It's cool.